Namaste. This is a colorful mat. I made this using the material available at home. Okay, you can use this as a doormat or you can use it as a table mat, putting a designer flower vases, or you can also use this for a baby. You can use this as a rug for baby. If you make it a little bigger, you can use it for the baby also. Now we learn together how to make this rug using the material which is there in the house. We'll take a old kurta, pajama, dupatta, sari or a trouser, anything, and cut that into pieces like this. This is approximately 3 inches and 1.5 inch width. This is 3 inches, 3 to 3.5 inch length and 1 to 1.5 inch width. Likewise, we'll cut all the pieces with the different colors. You can take any different color or of one color as per your choice and interest. So once you cut this, take any thread, little stronger. Take that and then take this piece and put a small knot to this thread. So just a small knot. Don't bother about the equal lengths. See, it can be randomly, lengthwise it can be randomly put. See, this is how it is, and pull it back, pull it tight. That's it. This is how this is made, and you'll complete this thread. And once you complete the thread, it becomes like a chain or a rope, like this. It becomes like a rope. So I have taken a kurti of multicolors and cut the pieces into, as I told you, 3 inches by 1.5 inch width. So please keep an eye on not using a cloth which comes like this, frays. You can see these frays. So this will be a little difficult to handle. Okay. These are the frays. It is very difficult to handle. You cannot stem it as these are very tiny pieces. So once you tie that, this will become a long chain. Likewise, you can make 5 to 6 strings. Fine. Now we'll put it on the mat, as we are making a doormat. This is my old doormat. This what I did, I've taken an old kurti and just stitched the edges to seal it, not to loosen the threads. So this was old and then I did not remove this. I just left it like that because I am going to put this on this. You can also, if you don't have this old one, you can also do it on a bed sheet, which is of no use. You can put 3 to 4 folds. You can make a square one, you can make a circular one as per your interest. Okay, you can also make it on a gunny bag, round or rectangular sheet. You can just thread it. I made these long strips using multicolored kurtis and leggings. Okay, for this material I have used one lady's trouser, one multicolored kurti, long kurti, and 2 leggings. So this is what the material I have used to make these strings. Also, one more caution here, that we are not going to use such kind of material which leaves the frays, as it is difficult to handle. Okay, and also we'll take one more precaution, not to use a material which has 2 shades, that is inside one shade and outside one shade, because once you cut and attach it to the string, it looks like this. Okay, so we won't use such kind of material. Now I have taken a twine thread which was lying in my home. Okay, if you don't have this twine, you can also use any reel thread. This you can put 2 strings, 3 strings, and you needle it and then start stitching it. So I have needled this twine thread. I have taken 2 strings. Now we'll start stitching it. Okay. So we'll start, and then from down we'll needle it with the mat. We'll needle up tighten it. These strings you can cut later. Okay, now we'll just again needle down. Just make a little space here in between the threads and then needle it down, and take care of your fingers. Okay, so you can adjust the feathers like this, not to show the thread. Okay. Once again you will come from the down, little space you are taking like this. See? This way. Okay. Now make again a small space here and then needle it down. Basically you are attaching this string to this mat. Okay, so tighten it, pull it down, and then again you will come from the down like this. Like this. And then again you will make some space here. There is no hard and fast rule that the length should be this much, this much. The only basic criteria is to tighten this thread to this mat. That's it. So likewise we'll stitch everything to this mat. Once you stitch all the strings to the mat, it looks like this. You can hand wash this and then dry it. Please don't squeeze it. You can use as per your requirement.